So, hi everyone. This is David from Dahua Technology Solid Team. And today I just want to have a short introduction to you guys about our project design tools. So this is how it looks like. Because before some customer ask me, so besides JVSG, do you have any free tools to make the design of the CCTV solution? Actually, before we don't have, but right now, after since the last week, we just released the first version of our project design tool. So which is very simple to use and also is totally free. You can find all the Dahua camera inside of this, all the parameters it will automatically generate, and it will give you a view of the camera, how long it can see, and for in the reality when you deploy the system for the objects like 2 meters away, how it looks like. So it's very convenient to use. So today I just want to have a short introduction to you guys about how we can download this software and a simple introduction about what function it has. Okay. So this project design tools is based on Dahua toolbox. So if you want to download the project design tools, so you need to download a toolbox. So somebody, if you are not familiar with Dahua software, so you may ask me where to download the toolbox. So first you need to go to the Dahua website, okay, dahuasecurity.com, and then you come to the download center, okay, tools. Then you can see here, there's some product selector, design tools, and there's a maintenance tools. There's two design tools which you already have for a long time. This Revit is a professional architecture design tools, and the JVSG tools is the professional video system design tools. Both of these two tools is from the third party and it's not free. So right now we have our own one, which is just developed by Dahua R&D department, and this is the project design tools, which is in toolbox. So you can find the toolbox here. You click the Windows here, and it will ask you to download the toolbox. So after you download and finish the installation of the toolbox, you open it. You can see here, there's a lot of tools you can use. There's a diversity of products you can find it here. So the VDP config, project design, solar energy calculation, config tools, a lot of tools you can find it here. So today we only talk about the project design tools. So let's open it and have a look. Okay, so this is how the project design tools looks like. You can see it has the basic function for new, open, save as, like all the other software in Windows. And also the most important thing is here is the setting. It's just you can switch the unit of the diagram, okay? So right now in Saudi, normally we are using the meter. We are not using the inch like the United Kingdom. So you can see here right now, this is the camera's parameter. For the focus length, the unit is millimeter. For the installation height, the unit is the meter. So if I change it to infrared, so you see, right now the focus length of the camera is inch, and the installation height of the camera is ft. So it's changed. So the first time you just open it, you are in Saudi, so you should change it to meter. Okay. After you finish it, okay, I will delete this camera first. After you finish the unit setting, and the next step is to import a picture or a diagram of the construction. Okay. So right now I just click here, import the diagram. Okay, I just click this one. Okay. Sorry, this is the poster. Sorry. I just change it back. Okay. So I just import a diagram of construction, and after I finish the import of this one, I finish the open of this one. then it will ask me to reset the rulers, okay? Because before, for each of diagram, I think some of you guys know how to join the CAD, right? The CAD diagram. So it will ask you about the unit. So right now I need to setting about the unit. So okay, for example, from this point to this point, I suppose it's 15 meters. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. So for this unit, for this length in the diagram, so it's 7.5 meters. So after I finish this, I can just this is the setting the scales. Also just the same like the setting the rulers. Okay. So right now I can also measurement for them from this point to this point. How long it looks like. So it's almost 24 meters for this wall. Okay. So after I just import, I change the unit of the setting. I import the construction of the diagram, and also I finish the setting scaling. So right now it's time for us to adding a camera. So you can see here from this one, this is adding camera, okay? So I click this one, it will ask me to select a camera. So if I search the keyword, for example, I just search the IPC HFW 2531. Okay, if I search this one, for example, I will just 24. Okay, this is 2421. No, actually no need. I just change 2431. So if I want to use a second generation of the 2531, the bullet camera, so it will show me like this. Show me. I just double click here, so this camera will be showing in the picture. Okay. Then you can see it will just it will show you, okay, for what region it can covered, and you can see in the camera there is 4 different color of the region. So what is different color means? Okay, so the different color means for identity region, recognized region, observed region, and the detect region. Okay, so then we finished adding one camera here. Let's have a look about all the function it has here. So there's the favorite camera, also the recently what camera you are used. They will make it convenient for you to join one, just draw one camera to the diagram. So it will immediately create a camera for you. Also, I just delete this one. And also here, this is for my camera list, and here is from the front view of the camera, okay, the side view of the camera, and also there's a selected camera list, and also one more, there's a current parameter of the camera. So you can see here, okay, so what is the front view of side view? How it works? So we need it for the front view and the side view. Is just to tell you once you deploy the system in the reality, how the object in front of the camera it will looks like. So you can see here I can just add some human and a vehicle here. If for them I added the human, I just click this button, and I just click human, and I click in the diagram. So it will just create a human inside of this diagram, and I just let him be far away from the camera. So you can see at the left corner it will show you, so how is this object, this person looks like in the camera. So it will help you to to design the CCTV solution. Also, if I just add a vehicle, I click here, so it will also show you, okay, how the cameras, the car, the vehicle, or the person looks like once you deploy the system. So you can also setting it here, like for this camera, what is the length of this camera? For example, I just changed this camera to 12.7 millimeters. So you can see right now it's only show you 2 regions of the camera, the region 1 and the region 2. Because why it will be like this? like when the millimeters, the focus length is 2.7, so actually it has 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I change this one to 12.70 millimeters, so it only have almost have only one region. So why it's like this? I have to say because the lens is too long, and it will cover if we want to just display all the 4 regions for you, so it will be a very long. It will be more far away outside of the diagram. So there's no need. So we only just display some necessary part for you. Okay. So I just want to explain to you in the future if you deploy the system. So don't be like why it looks like this. Don't be feel strange. Okay. And once I finish the deploy, the setting of the camera, also what is the installation height, maybe I change it to 3 meters, okay? And then I just change, because the camera I selected is a motorized lens. Normally we'll use like, for example, 5.7 millimeters. And I can just choose to display the line of the camera, what is the face to which direction, and also the coverage region of the camera, okay? It's showing here. And also, you can choose from here, like what is the face recognition region it can, this camera can cover. Okay, so you can see if the camera number 1. So I just choose the face recognition region. So this region is a face recognition region it can cover. If the object out of this region, so which means it cannot realize the face recognition camera, the function, because the pixel of the face is too less. Okay. Also, besides that, you can see also if you sometimes some customer when you just design a solution, you will also ask me how long the from the camera to the car it can see the clear plate number. So you can also just choose here to have a check. Okay, how long I can just see, have a clear look of the number. It will tell you out of this region, this is how long from, so from this point to, from this point to this point, so almost 14 meters, so I can see the clearly plate number, okay? There's a ruler also here. And also there's a custom IVS function for how long it can cover. So normally for the IVS function, from here to here is very long. And also you can just change some parameters about the humans, what is the height, what is the width of the human. First you need to collect this object. Okay, same like the camera. You should click the camera, then it will show you this camera's parameters. If you not click this camera, so it will not show in here. It will show you another camera. Okay, so this is how the whole system looks like and how it works. And to be honest, this is a very simple and convenient system for you for daily work to use. And what's more, I have to. And another thing is, after you finish the design of the solution of the proposal, okay, where to put the camera, what camera you should choose. Also, you can just export a report for this design. For example, the project name is the Dahua School Design, and the designer's name, the blueprint name, designer's name is David, and what date is the today, and the remarks, the Dahua best quality in the world. Okay, it cannot support this long, so Dahua best security. Okay, and I just can export an PDF. So I will show you how it looks like. Okay, this is a Dahua project. this is the project design report. Okay, so it's include the diagram, the deployment map of the system. Also, it include like what camera it can support, the camera list, and also for each of the camera 1, what is the parameter, model number, the installation height, length of angle, horizon angle. So actually, I have to say this is not looks that perfect, okay? But if you can, when you make some proposal for the project, so you can just copy this to the change the version, use the Adobe Reader Professional version to change it to Word and add this to your proposal. I think it will make the customer think you are a very professional team compared with the other system integrator. So it will help you more opportunity to catch the project. Okay, so let's make a conclusion for this project design tools, which is totally free, and it have all the parameters of Dahua camera, and it's very easy to deploy the camera, and also you can through these tools you can know in the reality when you deploy the camera what the object looks like in the camera, okay, in the live view, and also what for organized region, identify region, detection region, how the camera can cover. Okay, so I think it's a very good software, and you can see still right now there's some like when you add the camera, the picture of the camera is not correct. I think in the future we'll have the version 2, version 3, or the we will just make it better and better. So this is all about today project design tools introduction, and thank you for listening. Hope it will help you in your daily work. Thank you very much.